please stand. As you know, Tifa is so highly sought after, I had to buy this even if it costs me a gamble. I present to you Fantasy Female Warrior from Sharp Toys. Honestly, I've never heard of Sharp Toys, so I will do you the honors of opening this mystery Tifa Cosplay 1/12 figure. Let's do it! So here we have an instruction booklet. I wonder what it says. And this is weird. B1, B2, B3, B4 all says the 4 limbs are wrapped with protective film. Good to know, but I won't be taking apart the costume. And if you do not know yet, the base body is provided by TB League, who makes 1/12 naked silicone dolls. And it's also good to know the straps are not removable. Pretty basic set, I must say. Tifa fully clothed and 3 pairs of extra hands.
Rifti.
I like that they provided us with a unique open fist. So, Tifa comes with 2 closed fists and 2 open fists. Would you say that this Tifa looks a little thick? I must say right off the bat, the shoes look pretty real. Unfortunately, there's no shading on the laces, but the boots do look a little weathered. Do note that the figure is pretty small. I'm definitely not looking under her skirt here. Since we have a Tifa figure, we need to ensure this is Tifa and not just a Tifa cosplay, right? I think the legs look fine. I'm also glad they provided undergarments. The legs can bend forwards up to her belly, and the flexibility at the back is pretty good. It should be good for many poses. I'm surprised that for a skirt this small, the design is fairly accurate and the pleats actually work. So the arm bends a little awkwardly, and Tifa seems to have no shoulders. And no, we are definitely not looking at her cleavage. Just saying, the top is one piece with the black sewn on white. The arm guard, I must say, is fairly accurate. The studs make it look very detailed. The arms swing forward 90 degrees, doesn't swing backward, just like a real arm. The hands are held by a ball joint. They move 360 degrees in all directions but have limited angle of movement. Now, this is the debate. She does look like a cosplay. Let me know down in the comments if you can accept this head sculpt. The hair is done pretty well though, accurate length at the back. However, I have tried, it's kinda impossible to get her a fringe like the original Tifa. Another thing about the head sculpt, the plastic holding the hair is painted black. I felt Shark Toys was pretty considerate here. This is a Tifa cosplay! Let's take a look at some basic Tifa poses and see how it holds up. Do stick around or skip to the final section for my final review.